morning, children. Welcome to the art class, class 8. The lesson is tools and techniques. Let's see why do we study art? The objective of teaching and learning art are awareness about oneself and one immediate environment, opportunity of experimental learning through exploring, experiencing, appreciating, creating, imaginary and expressing. Develop, develop sensory, psychomotors and affective ability. Develop an understand of art material, method, tools and techniques and a process of communication and express ideas and feeling in different ways. Appreciation of India's heritage and culture, diversity and that of the world. These are the things which a child enables in him when he is learning how to take art in his life. The different themes as defined in the curriculum have been adopted in Creative Quest book. Children, this is your Creative Quest book of class 8. We are going to do the following topics. Shall we see that? They are as follows. The first topic we are covering is tools and techniques. Use of flat brush. Use of flat and round brushes. Exploring 2D and 3D methods. Different types of materials such as drawing, painting, printing, collage making, paper craft, clay modeling and pottery, etc. We are going to cover this topic. Now let's see what is the first topic we are going to cover. If we are taking drawing, the tools required is graphite, color pencils, chalk, charcoal or crayons. Children, please buy color pencils, charcoal and crayon box. Oil color. Children, in this class 8, we are mostly going to do oil coloring. So we have to have oil colors are mostly applied on canvas or board. We have to be using canvas or board for doing all oil color. Oil color consists of brushes. We have different brushes for oil color. Artist spatula. We need a spatula. Spatula is like a spoon. How you mix your food, you have to mix color with a spatula. Or palette knives. We have a palette knife. Just like you have a bread butter knife, you spread the butter on the bread. That is the same way you have spatula and palette knives, in which you have to do the mixing and spreading of your paint, oil paint. Oil paints may take years to dry completely. Children, we are going to do oil painting, but you have to take into your stand that oil painting will take many years of drying. Third is painting. It is expressing ideas and emotions on two-dimensional surface like tempera, fresco, oil, acrylic, watercolor and ink. Painting with an idea. We have what we are painting, we should have some ideas in our mind as to what we want in our painting. If a person is making a beautiful scenery, he will have first his vision as to what all he has to place in the painting. So there is lot of emotions in the painting and it has two-dimensional surface to it. With this, we will see temper, fresco, oil, watercolor and ink. Shall we see some more things in our art and craft? Tools and technique. The theme focus on developing and understanding about the different methods and material used for creating any form of visual art. It also helps students to understand the relationship between tools and materials with that of the process and technique. Skills such as observation, experimentation, problem solving, and free expressions are enhanced when students learn about drawing and coloring medium, material used for spatulating, carving, and the technique for an all-round personality development. In the first chapter is tools and technique. We will be focusing on this. Let's see tools and technique, first chapter, page number 7, drawing and coloring tools. Drawing. Drawing is the elementary stage of creating any art form. It is the technique of producing images on surface such as paper. Drawing, children, you always have done on paper. Now we are doing in class 8 on canvas or on wall, etc. Using graphite. Graphite is another texture like a pencil you have inside lead. The same thing is in a graphite. You use it for drawing. Color pencils, children, you have always been doing coloring with pencil colors. So color pencils, chalk, you have seen teachers using chalk on the blackboard. Chalk you will be using. Charcoal, coal, you everybody use at homes long time back. People use coal. It is called charcoal. Or crayons. Crayons small children have been using in your previous classes. Now crayons. These are the tools for drawing. Let's see oil colors. Oil colors are mostly applied on canvas or board. Tools used to apply oil colors are brushes, artist spatula, and palette knives. Solvents are added to oil paints so they become easy to use. So before we do the painting in the oil color, we add some kind of solvents to mix it. We cannot use water in the oil color. We have certain other chemicals or solvents to mix it. These paints may take years to dry completely. Oil painting always take lot of time period to get it dried. Painting. Painting is an expression, ideas and emotions on a two-dimensional surface. The element of art, line, shape, color, value and textures are used in various ways to produce a sense of volume. Space, movement and light. These elements are combined and represent real, imaginary, abstract or narrative themes. Paintings can be done in various medium such as tempera, fresco, oil, acrylic and watercolor, ink, etc. So these are the kind of paintings we are going to do. These are the following names which we will be doing in this lesson, tools and techniques. So children, I have given you the introduction, and later in the next session we will be seeing how these things will be used in making our drawings and painting. Thank you children. We will meet in the next session. Bye bye.